Well, y'all remember this picture here, folks. What in the world happened to my mirror? My window. Looks like a bird went bonkers and waylaid all over my mirror and my window. Well, it's come to this. They're poop shooting my mirror and my windows every dadgum day. Car wash people making a mint off me. I gotta wash my truck next day. Every dadgum day. There. We'll see what I find in the morning. I mean, dadgum. Good morning. Would you look at that? Look at it. You see that? You little shits. Well, it worked on this side, looks like. I need to tie the bag on. Well, it half worked. They're little bastards. Woodpecker. Anyway, because I need to make some mirror socks. Yeah, well. Yeah, lovely. Well, during my morning commute, after knocking on my noggin, a few brain cells got together to gnaw on that notion of mirror socks, for thinking that doing a plastic bag thing every day was going to be incommodious. So once I pursed my posterior in front of a computer screen, I went to Googling for such a thing as a mirror sock. Well, they are called covers, with some advertising that they deter birds. I found some at that South American river place. I ordered them post haste, and even as same-day delivery. As my workday ended, I was simply exhilarated to be going home to try on my new socks. Judging from the time of the delivery, I must have just missed running into the delivery driver in my driveway. Well, I'm home. Oh! That was fast. Get those on my truck. Yeah, so when I got home last night, I found out I took delivery of these new things that I purchased. Nice little covers. There's a total of 6 of them. Have a little drawstring to go over my mirrors. I left the plastic bags on them though last night, since that's what I already had on there. And I'm not going to put these covers on yet because, well, my truck's being washed. And my driveway, and my house, and my trees. So maybe after I get done getting the truck washed, I'll put these new covers on and see if it'll keep that stupid bird away. Well, of course, he had to go out and get breakfast. I will let the good Lord speak for himself on this one as you listen and watch. Okay, a breakfast platter with ham and a orange juice, that's all. Lovely morning. That was right there.
Yeah, I know. That was great.
Thank you. Well, the house, tree, grass, gully, and truck wash is done. Deploying my shirt pocket camp. I can use both hands. So, will these fit? Can you see that? Look at that. Yeah, I'm joining my truck in the final rinse cycle for the wash. I seem to be adequately devoid of any bird poop on my truck at the moment, so the wash looks like it worked pretty good. Yep, no bird poop on this side either. I don't know whether you got to see all that, but there's how it looks. So it's these against that stupid bird. We'll see what happens. Well, hi-ho. Hi-ho. It's off to work I go. Yesterday was mad storms. I'm going to come out here and see what their birds may or may not have done to my truck. Well, you obviously can't get to the mirror. They can poop on that thing. But now what do I do? Folks, people, my friends, I'm bringing you this next edition of my video to show you how it's going. As you can very well see, my mirrors are pretty clean. The mirror covers seem to be doing what they're supposed to be doing, and that is to keep that pretty, pecking, pooping little bird off my mirrors. But what effect does that have? I have tinted windows, and so they get on the edge of the window. They have a crap fest all over the side of my truck while they're pecking themselves in the window. And there's monumentally more bird manure on the side of my truck than what was previously being scattered on my mirror. As for the mirror covers, well, they've got some on them. They're keeping it off the mirror. That's good, but that's a pittance in comparison to what's all over the side of my truck. So off to the car wash I go again, and I'm gonna do more research on this. I don't know what to do next. I don't know whether you can help me. I don't know whether you care. But maybe someday I'll find the solution. And if I do, I'll share it with you. Maybe someday I'll find a solution.
What are you going to do?
What am I going to do? Oh, you f***ing little feces-flinging, flying, feathered varmint. You're fixing to find out the first thing in the morning what I'm going to do. It will scare the out of you so fast that you'll turn tail and fly right back in your own dung. What am I going to do? Ha! Hi. We're busy today.
Yep.
Yeah, it took a little bit, but I got it.
What's that phone number?
615, just to give me a big discount, right?
Let's see. No discounts today.
What?
For sure.
What do you want my phone number for then?
41.68.
Yeah, I'll take some cash back, I guess. Is there a sale on that? No?
I'll give back $9.99.
Thank you. Well, y'all say good morning to my new friend. I'm not going to do a full walk around. I mean, the truck is by no means poopless. It's not lacking entirely a bird caca. Isn't fully free of birdie spray. Come on, video editor. What did you think I was going to say? I said scat. So things are looking up. I'm moving in the right direction. Thanks to my new friend over there. Yeah, I'm sure y'all have seen all you can stand of my bird situation. I meant to say bird situation. So what do you want to do now? Figure out how to keep tree sap off my truck? Well, that ain't happening unless I cut down about 24 trees. I do appreciate my cousins who grew up in the Midwest in largely agricultural communities for not calling me an idiot since I couldn't figure out how to scare away a stupid bird. I made a video of it. That's what I do. I make dadgum stupid videos, and I hope to do another one. Thanks for watching.